one more time. Okay, let's sing. Let's sing with Little Leap. Oh no, you made him sleep. Let's make him up. Ready, ready?
Listen.
Okay, let's sing with Leap. C, D, E, F, G, come on. H, I,
Sing na, sing.
J, L, M, N, O, P,
Sing na.
Q, R, S, T, U, V. Very good, Brent. W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, Brent, please find letter A. Wait, sit down, Annie. Brent, please find letter A and press. Push letter A.
Please press any letter to hear its name and A says A, and A says F. Every letter makes a sound. A says A, and F.
Okay. Andy?
Oh, wait. Okay.
Slowly.
Press a circle on my finger to
Letter A, please. A.
A says
Very good.
and A says F. Every letter makes a sound. A says A, and F.
Okay, Vivian? A.
Makes F. A says A, and A says F. Every letter makes a sound. A
Amazing.
says A, and F.
Okay, let's say goodbye to Leap now.
Hi. Night night.
Okay, so what's the sound of the letter A? A says A, and A says F. Right? What's the sound of the letter A? A. Can you all say A? A and ah. Okay, good. So I want you to.
Okay, Andy, where you
I
going?
want you to Andy.
Sit here.
Sit down, please.
No, no, Jake is not here.
Okay, put up your pointer fingers, please. Put up your pointer fingers, please. Where are your pointer fingers? Good? Okay. Hi, Jillian. You're just in time to put up your pointer finger. You want to sit here? Come on, sit here. Okay. Come on. You have a very pretty dress. I'm envious. Okay, come on. Up, your pointer fingers. Yes, let's give it a little wiggle, 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 wiggle. Are you ready to start writing? Yes. Okay, let's start tracing our letter A's. Are you ready? Where's your pointer finger? Okay, good. Ready for our letter A? So, we have this mommy A, or the big letter A. We have two slanting lines and a sleeping line in the middle. Who's ready? Sit down, Andy.
Andy?
Brent, you want to go first?
Your turn.
So you will trace 1, 2, and 3. Good. Okay, ready?
Hands on your side. On your lap, diba? Like concentrated. Hands on your lap.
3.
Hands on your lap.
Okay,
Lap
good
on
job.
your lap.
Very good.
Like that.
Jillian? Very good. very temporary. Gulat ka ba? I'm here again. Okay, let's roll. Roll, roll, roll your dough with me. Rolling, 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 roll your dough with me. Okay, make it really long.
Mom, no. Like
Okay. Or a big, or a long carrot stick. Yes, carrot stick. Do you eat that? Do you eat carrot? Carrot?
Rabbit.
Like the rabbit does.
Rabbit.
But what about Andy? You eat,
A
do
rabbit
you eat
is
carrot?